guys, so I just got a delivery this afternoon. I'm so excited. It's my Home Chef delivery. You guys know by now, if you don't, I'm gonna tell you, I'm subscribed to Home Chef meal kit delivery service. I just find that it's super easy, especially for my lifestyle, especially for what's going on in my life right now with moving and having a little girl and having a hungry husband and everyone depending on me for my cooking. I feel like Home Chef is like my mom hack slash cheat code because I love to cook and I'm a huge fan of home cooked meals and I don't want to compromise that even when I'm moving. So I feel like a meal kit delivery service like Home Chef is really helping me to maintain the lifestyle that I have built for myself and my family. And I want to share that with you guys. So this is a sponsored message, but there is something in it for you as usual. If you guys do click the link in my description box, you will save $30 off your first order. And it's super easy to sign up. Like I said, I am a subscriber of Home Chef meal kit deliveries. So you go on the website, you simply create a profile. Basically, it's like a dietary profile. Mine is a little bit interesting because I put meat on there for my husband. I go for the meals that can be converted to vegan very easily for myself. Once you do that, you can set up your delivery schedule. You also have control over when you get the deliveries. You can skip weeks. In a few days, me and Ann are gonna be traveling together, so I'm skipping that week. So you don't have to get your delivery when you don't want it. And also you don't have to be home for the thing. It comes in a completely sealed and insulated box. So all of your cold food will stay cold until you get home. So this time around, these are the meals that I got. This one for myself, this one for Anthony, and this one for Anne. And I got 2 servings of each. So I'm gonna be meal prepping. That's the whole point of this. I'm gonna be meal prepping for everyone because it's really hectic in here. As you guys can see, I'm still unpacking the kitchen, so there's still stuff in boxes. And my refrigerator is for the most part empty because there's nothing in there. I haven't gone grocery shopping. I haven't even put away my dishes and things yet. So I'm basically gonna be preparing these meals out of boxes. But the point of all of this is ease of process. So I'm going to be cooking all of these meals right now, and I'm going to be prepping them and putting them in plastic containers so that throughout the rest of the week, we can just grab fully cooked and prepared meals and just warm them in the microwave. It'll be perfect. What I love about these meals is that they give you exactly everything that you need, and every meal is compartmentalized in these little individual sealed packages. And they put the meats separate. And then I got an add-on this time, you guys, with fruit. So it's just a fruit basket. As you can see from my refrigerator, it's totally empty, but I don't have to worry with Home Chef because everything is already in the individual packets. So all I have to do is just get cooking. On the back of these beautifully pictured cards, there are simple step-by-step recipes. So first things first, let me get some of my much needed cooking tools out. I know I'm gonna need these towels. And let me find some salt and pepper. Dad did this for me. This is so convenient, you guys. It's got the soft close feature. You just throw it in there. Trying to see which one I should start cooking first. They're all 30 to 40 minute recipes. I'm gonna start with these turkey meatballs since they have to go in the oven. So let me go preheat my oven. Ooh, I found me and Ann's little aprons. Definitely about to put this on. Y'all, I'm in here feeling accomplished because not only am I cooking a home cooked meal in my new kitchen, but it's forcing me to kind of organize as I go all this stuff in these boxes. So like the kitchen is starting to come to life. Like I'm putting things away and got my utensils set up on the counters. You guys, I'm getting really excited. You guys, I feel like a rock star. My husband is gonna be like, what? He's at work right now, you guys. He had a security detail today involving Kanye West. So that was really interesting. I'm a maniac, y'all, but I got all of my ingredients ready to go with the recipe card right next to it. So all I gotta do is just start executing. Okay, you guys, I am all done, okay? It has been about an hour since I prepared everything. I wanted everything to cool down before I put it into the plastic containers. But I just wanted to show you guys what I was able to create off of that one kit. There was a salmon dish, so I was able to break this down into 4 portions and everything looks delicious and it smells phenomenal in here, y'all. It smells like a restaurant. So I'd gotten a seasonal fruit basket with this. I always get either a smoothie or a fruit basket add-on with my meal deliveries. So with this one, I added in the pear and the orange slices because I feel like this has an Asian flair and it'll kind of go, those flavors will kind of go together and complement each other. So this is for Anthony. These are Ann's little meals here. I put them all in just the 2 containers, but I'm actually gonna break it down even smaller because this is way too much food for her. So I'm gonna put them in smaller little containers that she can take with her to school for her lunch. So this is the turkey meatball with the provolone on the inside because Anne actually loves meatballs. I think she's gonna love these, especially with the cheese inside because she loves the cheese. And then my meal over here is completely plants only. So I've got some rice pilaf that had its own seasoning built into it. So it was so easy to cook it. It's just some apples, Brussels sprouts, some chopped up dried cranberries, some toasted almonds. See, I'm really greedy, so this is just perfect for me. Look at that, look at all that food. So what an awesome blend of flavors. The remaining fruit from the seasonal fruit basket, I just chopped up the pears and apples and put them in here. And I'm probably just gonna send Anne to school with this as her snack. Guys, I was able to prepare meals for the next couple of days for me, my husband, and my daughter, Honey, off of one delivery from Home Chef. So I am so excited about it. I like how all the meals are gonna be super tasty and they are like chef creations. So everybody is going to love it. I feel so proud of myself. This is so impressive. I am a huge fan of Home Chef, you guys. Definitely click the link below if you guys are interested in trying this out. Highly recommended. We're in Walmart. We had to come here because I had to capture some footage for my Walmart partnership. So we are doing that, and then we're gonna go to the garden center and get some stuff to pot some flowers. People looking at me like I'm crazy because I'm talking to the camera, but I told y'all I'm not the one. Like, don't look at me, look at yourself. Worry about yourself. Worry about yourself. Mom's gonna plant some mums for us on the front porch. Oh, you gotta plant these from scratch?
Did you plant them in the fall?
Oh, okay.
And then they come up early spring.
Oh, baby, get some tulips, please. Gold and purple, I love it.
Or those white daffodils.
I want tulips, Mom.
I know, the tulips are, they you know, you can go up and go to Home Depot and may have a wider selection. Because this is the colors that you have. I
don't have no problem with these colors. Baby, which tulips do you like?
Red one.
You like the red one? Oh my God, I'm gonna be planting flowers and stuff. I can't wait. Ann, are you excited about it? I gotta end this little lunch pail for
but we
school.
going to Home Depot to look, so we get dirt and stuff in there for sure.
You gonna have your lunch, not pail, what do you call this thing? Lunch bag. You got your lunch bag, Ann. You are all set, girl. All set, Ann. We just leaving Walmart, y'all, and we just saw some of everybody in here. It was the most lit Walmart experience ever. Yeah. Just saw my ship and her husband. Just saw another classmate from SIU. Saw a follower in there. Girl, we just saw everybody. I had to stock up on my Pampers Pure for Ann at school, and I got her a toy, and we got flowers we planting later. Anthony over here putting some shine on the tires. He is adamant about the tires having some shine to them, y'all. That's that Wild Hundreds right there.
I am not from the Wild Hundreds. I am from Country Club Hills.
He just wanted them to have that on there so much. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye.
Bye. We're in.
She's over there with Anthony. Thank you so much. We're gonna love the furniture. Thank you. We just got our bedroom furniture ordered and we're excited. I got some nice, fun, I guess decorative items. Huh? Oh, this is a actual camera. Yeah.
Oh. I never see that camera.
Like that.
I like it. I thought you put your phone.
Oh,
iPhone.
no, you can flip it. Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can see yourself when you're, you know what I mean? You know?
I like that.
You can be like, oh, hey, you know.
Okay, take care.
Bye-bye. So anyway, I got some decor stuff. I couldn't even get that word out, but yeah. So I'm excited. We got our bedroom down. A million other things to go because we still got to get living room furniture for the formal living room and the family room. So it's a lot, but we're just gonna tackle it one by one. Yeah, because it's hard to know what you want. Like, that's the thing. Like, you can have $1 million. When you come in these stores, if you don't know what you want, you don't know what style, what vibe, you are going to be walking around in circles. And when people come up to you and say, hi, how can I help you today? What are you looking for? You're like, I don't even know. But we figured out the bedroom thing. I think you guys will like the theme. I can't wait to reveal it to you. I think you guys will like it. Mom, what are you talking about? He was kind of attractive looking. He was, you know, he was cute with the kids, you know. All right, we're at Home Depot looking for some garden tools so we can plant these flowers. Okay, here we go. Transplanter. Is this what we need? One is fine, okay. And then we don't need any, do we need this sort of thing?
No.
Looks like a dinosaur claw or something. Look at us getting our domestic stuff. Did you guys know my mom was really good at gardening? Yep. She's really good. She dictated all the landscaping for our house that we got. She's pretty good. She's actually really, really good at it. Okay, she wants me to buy a fire pit today, and I'm just like, I do not want to buy a fire pit today. Not really, but let's see. She wants me to buy it today so she can chill in the backyard today. My mom got fire pit, firewood. She's turning my yard into her yard. All right, you guys, it's time to organize this kitchen, starting off with a bunch of stuff that I'm excited about that I just got from IKEA, all these little containers. What I'm doing is, and this is such a good idea if I do say so myself, consolidating a lot of this stuff that was in the cupboard before at the old house. For example, you know how you buy fish and then you keep buying fish fries to go with them? But it's a good idea to just consolidate all of these little baggies and stuff and put it in something, you know, like this to keep it fresh and seal it and, you know, do it that way. So that's what I'm doing now. I got all these little cute jars and stuff from IKEA today. Got a couple of these, which I actually love them, so I'm gonna get more. I just got like a few of them just to see how I liked it, and then I'm gonna go back and get more for sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and transplant all of this stuff, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I came up with. Okay, you guys, here's the pantry. With room to grow. You do not have to come into a new house filling up this space, man. I'm telling you. It gives me so much anxiety because there is no room to grow. So this will give me a chance to be able to get more of these containers, get more of a variety of foods in here. And I kind of want to keep this pantry really, really cute like this. I don't want random boxes and half open stuff in here. I've lived that life too long. I want this to stay fancy, so it'll only be containers in here. And I want this to stay organized and clean, and I want it to be like a cute pantry. The other stuff can go in the cabinets. In case you guys aren't curious, I'm gonna go through what everything is. If you don't wanna see it, just fast forward. This is cane sugar, this is stone ground grits, this is old-fashioned oats, this is some coconut flour, this is cornmeal, white basmati rice, brown basmati rice, quinoa, macaroni, of course. This is jasmine rice, this is fish fry, and granola. This room is a mess, but trying to get the closet together for right now. So I'm putting all my clothes away. I had to go get some new hangers from IKEA today. And I'm just trying to organize everything, man. I'm trying to color code, but it's not really coming through as such. But I guess it's better than nothing. At least I know where to find everything. That's the main thing. And I have to figure out something to do with my robes because they can't stay on the valet. So I'll figure it out. I've been putting my workout clothing in here and my pajamas in this one. Door going in today. Looks so good. See, and it matches the garage door. Yeah. The knob set, yeah. The hardware, I guess. Yeah. Yeah.
Something like that.
Well, Mom is gonna be planting these mums for us. I don't know. You doing it today?
Yeah, I might as well because it's gonna rain tonight. So.
Okay, so she's gonna plant these mums. Isn't that cute though? It adds so much needed color. Even, you know,
yeah, and
it's a beautiful color.
It's gonna pop in the fall.
Mm-hmm.
It matches the, you know, it matches the pink. It's gonna be pretty in the fall. Just your last full thing. These right here, they live. I'll tell you that now. So that's yellow.
These.
Yeah.
Right. Like I can see the little bud right here. It looks like a banana. Okay, I'm looking out. It is what it is. Alright, so this is the last view of the old door before it comes out. All right, I put my shoes on so I can have a more successful walking experience out here. I had on socks and footies earlier, but anywho, my mom planted the first mum right here. There is mulch here, so underneath it there's some kind of fabric layer. So she had to cut through that and then dig up the dirt and then go ahead and plant the mum there. So that's going to be so pretty against that pattern of other flowers and stuff here. So I like it. And then she's going to plant the other one right here. This bigger one is going to go there. And then the other guy is over there. Who is that?
Your husband.
Oh.
Here she is.